am your Maths teacher. In today's class, we are going to see about simplify and reduce into fractions, reduce the fractions. We are going to see the questions based on fractions and we are going to do the simplification. On what basis we are going to do the simplification is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, students. So we are going to use a rule here. What is the rule is Vii-Maths rule. BODMAS. That is, B stands for brackets, O of, D division, M multiplication, A addition and S subtraction. We are going to follow this rule. In your question, we are going to check which operation is going to come first. We are going to give the first preference for division, second for multiplication, third addition and fourth subtraction, and now we are going to see the sums based on this, students. You are going to go through the link clearly and you are going to take down in your note, and now we are going to start with the sums. Now we are going to start with simplify and reduce to a simple fraction. We are going to use this rule, students, Vii-Maths rule. Brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, students. So you may think not necessary in your question there must be bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. You can have anything in your question according to this order. The first one is bracket, second one is of, third one division, fourth multiplication, fifth addition and sixth subtraction. So this is the order of given in your Vii-Maths rule, but whatever you are going to have, according to that we are going to take the sums. The first question in simplification, this is the fraction given here, students. Now what we are going to do is 3 divided by 3, 3 by 4. This is the question given in your first one. If you see the numerator part you are having 3 and denominator you are having it as 3, 3 by 4. This type of fraction is called as mixed fraction. Now just see your rough work, students. I am converting this mixed fraction to a proper fraction. How means 3, 3 by 4. Denominator, what is the number? 4. You are going to keep it as it is. Denominator part 4 into 3. That is denominator into middle number. 4 into 3 plus 3. You are going to calculate and you are going to find the value as 15 by 4. So in this mixed fraction, I am going to write this value 15 by 4. Denominator part. While I am bringing this denominator to the numerator, you are going to write in reciprocal 15 by 4. If I am going to bring to the numerator part means 4 by 15. Cancel the term, you will get the answer as 4 by 5. Coming to the second question. Second question, if you see, numerator you are having it as 3 by 5 and denominator you are having it as 7. Numerator part you are having it as fraction, just you can bring this 5 down. That is 3 divided by 5 into 7. You will get the answer as 3 divided by 35. Third question. 3 divided by 5 by 7. Denominator you are having it as 5 by 7. If I am going to bring it to numerator part means I am going to write it as 7 by 5. Once if you can't cancel the terms, you are going to multiply like this, students. 3 into 7, that is numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. 3 into 7 divided by 5 will get the answer as 21 by 5. Fourth question. If you see the fourth question, you are having half and into. You are having two operations here. What I am going to do is 2 by 5 instead of wherever you are going to get this particular word of means I am going to write it as into, students. Into 6 by 11 into 5 by 4. Normal calculation, you can cancel the terms in any way. According to the table, you are going to cancel the terms. The final answer is going to be 3 by 11. Question number 5. You are having numerator and denominator in the form of fraction, students. If you see, numerator is in the form of mixed fraction and denominator is in the form of mixed fraction. I told you how to convert the mixed fraction into normal fraction, students. And to 1 by 5, you are going to convert this. I have given you in the rough work. You are going to see the calculation. And what is the value I am getting here is 11 by 5. Similarly, for 1 by 10, you will get the value as 11 by 10. Those two values I am going to write it here, students. That is 11 by 5 whole divided by 11 by 10. 11 by 5 numerator part you are going to keep it as it is, and denominator will be a reciprocal. It will 11 by 10. If you bring it to the top, it becomes as 10 by 11. That is called reciprocal. After cancelling, you will get the answer as 2 by 1. The final answer is going to be 2. Coming to the sixth question. If you see the sixth question, you are having division and multiplication. What is a Bode-Maths rule? Bode-Maths rule is nothing but first a bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Division and then multiplication. So, convert this mix it into proper. First, I am going to convert this division into multiplication. I am cancelling the terms. After cancelling, you will get the answer as 21 by 4. Now we are going to see the seventh sum. Seventh sum, students. If you see the question, I am having multiplication, division and multiplication. I told you how to convert the mixed into proper fraction, students. You are going to convert in that way. Division, first I am going to convert this division into multiplication. So what happens if I convert division into multiplication? You have to be very careful in this place. Next to division, what is the number? 7 by 2. And for your understanding, I am going to circle this one. Division, once if you are going to write it as multiplication, what is the purpose of doing like this is to simplify and find the answer in an easy way. Division symbol you are going to convert into multiplication. While you are converting this into multiplication, 7 by 2, the number next to division 7 by 2 will becomes as a reciprocal, that is 2 by 7, and the next number will remain as it is. Only this part is very important while you are doing the calculation, and you have to be very careful, students. After calculating, you will get the answer as 2 by 9. You are going to try the calculation. Coming to the next sum. Next sum 8. Eighth question. Eighth question, if you see here, students, multiplication, division of. First, I am going to convert this of into of into. The symbol of should be converted to into first. What I am doing? These two values I am going to calculate and simplifying. I am getting the answer as 9 by 8. After getting the answer, I am coming for division. That is the rule. That is the rule for Bode-Maths. That is why I have written here. Once if I am writing this value 9 by 8, what I am going to do is I am going to convert this division into multiplication. What happens? It becomes as reciprocal, 8 by 9. Calculate the term, you will get the answer as 20 divided by 27, students. Ninth question, if you see here, students, 0 divided by 8 by 11. Divided by 8 by 11. Division, I am going to write it as multiplication, means this becomes as reciprocal. That is 8 by 9 and 11 should be written as 11 by 8. 0 into any value is going to be 0. Coming to the last question. I have written 3 questions here, students. If you note properly the last question, the question is same, 4 by 5, 7 by 15, 8 by 9. All the 3 questions you are having this number order, but division of multiplication, those symbols will be differing here. For all these 3, we are going to apply the Bode-Maths rule. You are going to apply the Bode-Maths rule, students. According to that, I have done the calculation. After doing the calculation, if you see, you will be getting different answers. That is, for the first one, I am getting it as 27 by 14. For the second one, I am getting it as 32 by 21. And for the third, I am getting the answer as 21 by 50. It is due to the operation present in that particular question. It depends upon the Bode-Maths rule. You are going to try the sum, students. I have given you the calculation. You are going to do it in your note. Thank you. Students, in this class, we have completed fractions. And based on fractions, we have done 10 sums, students, and those sums are based on Bode-Maths rule. You are going to work out each and every sum carefully, and you are going to do it in your classwork notes, students. Thank you.